and I don't know where I need to be, what to do, where to start, I always go to my routines, you guys. Routines, seriously, are not a ball and chain for me. They are literally a saving grace for me. Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. A couple of months ago, I was sitting down at the house, the old house, and I created zones for the home we're in now. I sat there and I thought about it, laid it out in my mind what the place looked like, and I created zones. I pretty much follow the Fly Lady system. Each week is a zone in your home that you concentrate on to declutter, to deep clean, and all of that. So technically you don't really need to do any spring cleaning because you're doing this stuff every week in a different zone in your home, but it's not so overwhelming. You pick a task to do for like 10 minutes. So I created the same zone system with my kids' chores. One, it stops the fighting.
I always get the bathroom, I always get the dishes.
Things like that. This has cut down the whining so much, but it's created a new type of whining where the rule is you can't throw stuff that you're cleaning in your zone into somebody else's zone. We always tell the kids when it's zone time, go pick up your own stuff. But even if someone's not home, someone didn't get to it, just pick it up and move it, because they're gonna do the same thing for you in that zone, and it teaches service. So they still need to pick up after themselves, but anything left behind, they can't.
Like, get in here and pick up this one thing that you left behind.
It's service to the family, right? So when I first created this system, I divided the house up into zones. So at the time, we have 4 children living in the home. So I had 4 zones. Well, now our oldest daughter is married. I don't need 4 zones. So I had to create 3 zones for our other home. So to clarify this, we're gonna call the She's in Her Apron home the original home that you guys have known for like years and years, and the other home as, and the last home we rented for a year, if that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna do that. I try to keep the zones in the same area of the home. It's like in your mind, like you're looking at the blueprints of your home, and that section is zone 1, and this section over here is zone 2, and this section over here is zone 3, if that makes sense. For the place that we're in, these are the zones. So zone 1, dishes, dishwasher, dining table, counter, garbage can. Zone 2, family room, hallway, entryway. Zone 3, bathroom, house garbage, porch. I am not looking for detailed, perfect cleaning. This is teaching them to clean, teaching them to maintain. They are in charge of it. If they see something that needs to be picked up, they do it. Out of place, they fix it. They dust it, they clean it, and how to clean it. They go grab the dusting things, they vacuum. They maintain it. They are in charge of it all week. We just go from Jonah, Boston, Shaylee, and then I'll flip Shaylee, Boston, Jonah. Do you see what I'm saying? So their names rotate on the list, so they get it equally all the time. I use a dry erase marker. That's how we switch their names, to move them down so they know. So, and of course, I have my zones, which correlate in these zones, but I have different functions in it. So, and I do the deeper cleaning, the much deeper cleaning. All the kids, of course, are in charge of their bedrooms, and they have to pick those up every day, every day. Things in my home aren't perfect. You guys have seen it. Life gets crazy, life gets busy, and that's okay. I'm not looking for perfection. Nope. I'm teaching my kids how to clean, how to pick up, and how to serve the family, how to help one another. This is basically for me. The morning routine consists of unload the dishwasher, what's for dinner, check planner, make beds, swish and swipe, which is just wipe down the bathroom. But not all the time do I do that, because I have a child who has the bathroom. So they get to do that. Does that make sense? So we're all helping, we're all doing it. Night routine, dishes, counter, sweep, mop, trash, tomorrow's dinner, and prep for tomorrow. Part of the Fly Lady system is days of the week that are dedicated to certain tasks. So like Monday is home blessing hour, anti-procrastination day, errand day, clean, like Fridays are clean out your car day. Oh, and your purse. Errand day I don't dedicate to Thursdays. Like that's what she has. Thursdays is dedicated to errands. I don't do that because if I notice that like today, right after tutoring, we're going to the DI to do a drop-off. I have a bunch of stuff in the car. That was scheduled for after tutoring. I'm already out. So I'm always like looking at my schedule going, well, I'm already leaving the home for this. So I'll tag on this doctor's appointment in that same day. So like today, tutoring, I'm going to the DI, and I have an ortho appointment later this afternoon. I try to do it all in one day, so that way my week isn't, I'm constantly leaving the house, going and running to and everywhere, and then I feel like I haven't accomplished anything in my week. That's how I do it. I'm able to do that because I work from home. I create my own schedule. So I have come up with, and I've seen 1,000 places, so many people do it, like a weekly cleaning schedule. So Mondays are the bedroom. I pick up weekend clutter, paper clutter, change sheets, so like with home blessing hour, polish and dust, same with home blessing hour, vacuum, same, and I wash the sheets and stuff. So Mondays, you could see the similarity there. So Tuesday is the kitchen, clean out the refrigerator, quick organize pantry, quick vacuum and laundry. So this one I started, oh my goodness, since I found the Fly Lady, or even before the Fly Lady system, and it's just been part of my brain and my routine. Like Tuesdays, just go check the refrigerator and the pantry and just pick it up, and it's just quick. It's like just little quick, just look in the fridge, is there any spills? Okay, wipe it up. Maybe we could just make the shelf look a little better. It's a little crowded here. What do we got going on? Is anything spoiled? Quick like that. It's not like deep cleaning the refrigerator. And I put a quick vacuum, like anything that I see on the floor, and laundry is every day of my life. Wednesdays are the bathroom, shower, toilet, counters, mirrors, change towels, collect all garbage, and laundry. Thursdays, living room and family rooms, dust and polish furniture, freshen fabrics, quick vacuum, laundry. I just check things out. And if it needs to be done, whatever child has dusting, I make sure it just, hey, can you make sure you get that, you know, basically. And there's like one day of the week that they have to deep clean that area. Not like perfect, but just get in there and really dust, you know what I'm saying? Fridays, upkeep, vacuum, mop all floors. I mop as needed, I mop as I see. Clean out car, clean out purse, laundry. Do you see what I'm doing? So I'm still adapting the Fly Lady in these everyday things. Saturday is outside, straighten garage, laundry. I'm always doing laundry. The yard, things like that. So it's just a guide, and we do really good on it. So that's my routines all the time. If you really want to get into detail with like the Fly Lady system, go to flylady.net. It's all there. Having anxiety and I'm like, I don't know what to do today. What am I supposed to be doing? What's going on? I could just go and look at this and see and go, okay, this is where I need to be, and it helps me. There's more things that I am going to be sharing with you guys in upcoming videos that will help you create routines and cleaning schedules and different types of routines that you maybe not thought of, or how to declutter. There's so much I want to share with you that I have been learning over the years, and really the last year and a half, that have really inspired me and impressed me with our living situation, things that we're going through, dealing with anxiety, that have helped me not be so overwhelmed. Years ago, as you guys know, I had really bad anxiety, where I shared some of my episodes with you, where all of a sudden it would just hit and paralyze me, and it was horrible. And that's when the anxiety first started coming on. That I have learned techniques and ways to help me with anxiety, and if you would like a dedicated video on this, let me know. Leave a comment down below, please, so I'd like to share it with you. I've worked with my therapist in ways to help me be able to not go to that place where my mind just won't shut off and just keeps running and creating, not the thought, and creating the anxiety. I've learned ways that I can put myself somewhere else in my mind, and with breathing to be able to ground me and keep me center, and it's helped a lot. I still get anxiety once in a while. Certain situations will bring it on, so she has helped me try to ground myself in these situations. So when I'm just like, I don't know what to do, even if I'm just overwhelmed and don't have anxiety, and I'm just so overwhelmed by, you know, working from home and helping the kids and homeschooling the kids and just all of this, and I don't know where I need to be, what to do, where to start, I always go to my routines, you guys. Routines seriously are not a ball and chain for me. They are literally a saving grace for me. When I just can't focus and I don't know where to go and I don't know where to start and everything is just overwhelming, I just look at my routines and I go, all right, just go do one thing. Go one thing from this list. Just go do it today. So today that I'm talking to you is Tuesday. Just go look at the pantry. Go look on that shelf. What's one thing that's out of place? Just put it in its place. Even if it's just one thing, and it will help you. Organizing something small gives me fulfillment and gives me motivation to keep going. And I learned this from a company called 3 Key Elements. I've gone to a lot of their classes, and Kirk Duncan has a CD, like a tape talk, I don't know what they're called now, audio, called Chaos to Order, and how when you can take a little spot that's out of order. Look at your silverware drawer right now. Just go open your silverware drawer, okay? Go walk over there, open it up, and if everything's kind of out of place, it literally takes like 2 minutes. It's like the fastest thing you could do. Go create order. It's gonna feel so good. You're gonna shut the drawer, you're gonna open it back up, you're gonna look at it and go, and that's gonna make you wanna go to the next drawer. It's just something that seriously will calm you. So I'll just go find something little. It could be anything. It could be any little thing, like this little end table in your house. That's no big deal. You just straighten it, you look at it, and it feels so good. This is why when you make your bed in the morning, it completely motivates you, and it makes you feel so good that you could conquer the day. It's so silly, but it's true. Have you noticed when you made your bed versus the days you don't make your bed? I do. I notice it completely. So that's my little spiel for you. So yeah, create a routine. And I'm gonna have some upcoming videos on routines. That is on the docket, and I am so excited to bring them to you. I'm so excited for you to look at it in a different way, and not as a ball and chain, but a saving grace. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Any thoughts or comments, please leave them down below. I appreciate you so much. Have a great day.